Morning, guys, YouTube people, world, whoever, wherever you are. Anyway, guys, didn't really get too much done on the truck yesterday. Went to the junkyard with my brother-in-law. Him and me picked up some seats. These are going to be for his K5 Blazer. I forget what they were out of. Some like minivan thing. Anyway, they're kind of cool because they got. So this is going to be his driver's seat. Oh, big old spider. It's alright. I don't mind daddy long legs. Anyway, this is going to be his driver's seat. Cup holders, armrests, kind of narrower. Anyway, yeah, and then if you can see inside there, we got some seats. So I picked out these seats. These are out of a Trailblazer. So driver's seat. It was probably 3 different sets of seats that were okay. Anyway, this is just a two wire power. So just a positive, negative, and then everything works. All these others, they don't go anywhere. You can see you got the connector, and it just has, well, it's got 3 wires coming out of it, which means that's the seatbelt. That means that's the seatbelt wire. Excuse me. So I have to trace that wire, which is probably this wire. Anyway, I checked them. I put 12 volts on them. They worked. Or this works. That one's not powered. That one's electric. But they're not too bad. They weren't gross. They weren't dirty. It was like one of the cleanest cars there. 4 seats. I wanted to get seats with seat belts attached to them because I want to delete the seat belts that are in the truck. Because on his truck we painted this. Anyway, battery died. So yeah, I just don't want to paint his seat belts or paint the seat belts and everything. I also did find this little flap. Goes right there. Yeah, so today's plan is I'm going to cut this out. And I'm going to trace this on the back side of this, cut that out. Because I think we're going to have the welder out. We're going to be welding these holes. 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. And we're going to be welding the cab. So, anyway, yeah, I'm just trying to think of how we can do these seats. I don't know. But, yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it all out. So this morning, I'm waiting for everybody to wake up. I'm going to be painting these jumper seats. These are going to be like a light gray. The backrest for those seats are going to be a gray. I will paint the back seatbelts. Kid trying to be sneaky. I gotta paint these charcoal gray. These go on the headliner. Charcoal gray, and then the floor, the ones that go on the floor or on the sill pan, kick plate, whatever you want to call it, those are going to be a light gray. Basically the top of the truck's going to be dark gray, The lower bottom of the truck is going to be a light gray. Thought I had a light gray, but maybe not. Anyway, these are charcoal. This is flat black. And then I got gloss black. We're going to do the dashboard gloss black. And yeah, I think I got some light gray in the barn. Anyway, buddy from work, co-worker, gave me these batteries. So they're 8 amp hour batteries, 2 brand new batteries. I guess he got a really good deal on them. So I always let him borrow my trailer. I let him borrow my trailer to tow his little side-by-side. But this time he needed to borrow the trailer to tow a little Datsun 210. So, and like some car parts or something. So I let him borrow it. And I know what happened. He got paid. He got paid to go pick it up and do whatever, but which he probably got paid a lot. Because AAA and nobody does normal towing service anymore. They always want, it's either insurance or you either have to have insurance paid for it, like accident, or they just charge too much, like $10 a mile. So I think he went down to Riverside to his house. I think it's probably like 60 miles. It's like $600. By that time you can have a shipping company pick it up, but then it's a pain in the butt. But anyway, yeah, so I think he got paid quite a bit of money to do it, so he ended up hooking me up with those batteries. Yeah, see the mirrors are going on the truck, semi-truck mirrors. Anyway, yeah, so yeah, those will probably be black. The speaker box things will be black. Yeah, I'm just going to start cleaning stuff up while everybody's still snoozing, even though the kid's not snoozing because I just saw him looking out the window. And I bought some TIG attachments a while back. And I'm going to see if they even work with my welder. And if they do, sweet. If they don't, sweet. Just like I say, I got them. So anyway, yeah, that's what we'll be doing. We're going to be doing some grinding and welding. But right now, I can't really think of what else I came out here for, other than just to clean parts and get everything ready and prepped to be painted. I am using a adhesion promoter for plastic. It seems to be working. Basically, I'm scrubbing it down, soap and water, getting all the goo off, cleaning it really good, and then before I go to paint it, I take a rag soaked in acetone, wipe the part down, and then once I see it dry, I just throw a coat of adhesion promoter. Doing one coat of adhesion promoter. I think that works best. I think I used 2 or 3 coats of adhesion promoter last time when I was doing the kids truck, and I don't think it held that good because it was too thick. And then like I don't remember, but I just know I'm doing 1 coat. But anyway, gonna be using this tool today. My homemade little belt sander. And then this tool. Yeah, that's why I got them. So I've been using this tool. I will be doing a tool review on this and a tool review on this later. Not sure which one first, but this is pretty cool. I like this. I haven't used this as much as I use this. I use this a lot. So anyway, I'm going to get these batteries opened up and throw them on the charger to make sure. Yeah, that one's dead. And that one's dead. So, anyway, I'm going to get to work. Oh, I didn't show you guys the headliner. Let me show you the headliner. I think I didn't. Got the headliner all done. Using a thick black felt. If you guys can even see it. So the headliner's all done. It's hard to see with the sun. So this will all be covered. Came out really nice. I really do I like the way it came out. Better than his truck. His truck has a seam from where the fabric was folded that I couldn't get out. This one had a seam also, but I was able to pull it and then set it down, so I was a little smarter this time, the one time. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be it. Let me know what you guys think. Comment, subscribe, do what you guys do. I gotta get to work. Ain't got time for games. See you on the next video. Later.